Have you ever imagined a future where computers don't just help humans, but actually replace them? Thinking, working, and making decisions just like us? What if, in the next 10 years, humans could connect their minds directly, without phones, without the internet, without any device? It sounds impossible, but the reality is coming faster than you think. Technology is moving beyond our imagination. Artificial intelligence and supercomputers are no longer just tools. They are becoming something far greater. Where human thinking ends, AI begins. And this creates a shocking question. If humans created AI, how is AI able to think beyond humans? Today, AI is already writing books, creating music, designing buildings, driving cars, diagnosing patients, and even performing complex medical surgeries. These are not just experiments anymore. They are real-life applications happening right now. But in the next 10 years, the shift will be even bigger. Computers will not remain assistants. They will transform into full replacements for human workers. Imagine offices where no humans are sitting, but machines are making every decision. Imagine hospitals where robots are not just supporting doctors, but leading entire surgeries with more precision than any human hand. Imagine factories where no humans are needed, only intelligent systems producing and managing everything. A computer will not just follow commands, it will think like a human brain, analyze emotions, solve problems, and even create new innovations on its own. This is not science fiction. In the USA, China, and Japan, companies are already developing AI models that can learn, adapt, and evolve beyond the code humans originally wrote for them. The real revolution will come with the rise of the digital brain. Just like the human brain stores memories, builds connections, and creates new ideas, these digital brains will have the ability to learn from experiences, improve themselves, and generate completely new thoughts. Scientists believe that by the year 2035, advanced AI will be able to simulate human consciousness itself. Imagine a machine that not only works like us, but actually thinks like us, remembers like us, and creates like us. But the future doesn't stop there. Scientists are working on something even more unbelievable: direct brain-to-brain communication. In the next 8 to 10 years, you might be able to share your thoughts directly with another person's mind, without speaking, without typing, without using any device at all. Your brain will send signals and another person will instantly receive them in their own brain. Projects like Neuralink in the USA and similar research in China are already testing this possibility. If this succeeds, it could completely replace phones, computers, and even the internet. Imagine simply thinking of a message and your friend receiving it instantly in their head. Now let's come back to the question that surprises everyone. If humans created AI, how can AI think beyond humans? The answer is simple but shocking. Humans are limited by biology, but AI is not. Our brains are powerful, but they have limits in memory, energy, and speed. An AI brain, on the other hand, can process millions of ideas, connections, and calculations in just 1 second, far beyond what a human could do in a lifetime. This is why, where human imagination ends, AI continues forward. So the future that is coming is not just about machines replacing jobs. It is about computers replacing human thinking itself. Step by step, they are already taking over. And in the next decade, they won't just work for us. They may connect our minds, reshape our reality, and even redefine what it means to be human.